Hi there, Kevin here from way in the future from when this playlist was originally created, and I just want to give you a little bit of a heads up because the next lesson is going into floats and looking at creating float-based layouts, which when I made the series was very relevant, but these days it's not how we'd actually normally approach creating layouts. Float-based layouts were a hacky way to create layouts, but it was the only thing we had for a very long time, but luckily now we have two different layout tools in Flexbox and CSS Grid. So feel free to keep going with this series, but if you'd like to get started with Flexbox or Grid or both of them, I've included a few links just down below on this video that look at, for me, the easiest ways of getting started with either one of them, and also a video that's how I decide when I should be using Flexbox or when I should be using Grid when I am creating layouts. And I also have a free course called Conquering Responsive Layouts, which is all about sort of the mindset of creating layouts and touches a little bit on Flexbox as well, but the early parts of it are more about just understanding how to sort of work with the browser instead of fighting against it. So all of those things are linked in the description. So that's it. And I guess I just want to say I hope that you're really enjoying this series and also enjoying your journey into learning front-end development. I know early on it can be a lot of information that's going on, but just keep at it, keep practicing, and you're going to be awesome at this in no time.